Hi, this is Shin, Division Head of Business Development from Huons. I'm very glad today to present to you the general introduction of the company and the two particular products we are looking for partners and partners. My explanation will include the general introduction of the company and the plant, and the Hu007 nanocomposite eye drops, and Hutox, which is Botox. Huons is a subsidiary of Huons Global, responsible for the development and sales of the pharmaceuticals and medical device. As of second quarter of 2020, Huons has 1,500 employees and it is listed in Costa. Founded in July 1965 as Gwangmyeong Pharmaceuticals, it has continued its pharmaceutical business up to present day. Huons is engaged in pharmaceutical drugs, medical devices, and health functional food businesses. We have a portfolio of more than 300 reimbursed prescription drugs, and in addition, we are expanding our portfolio of non-reimbursed drugs for cosmetic or obesity treatment purposes. As of 2019, Huon's separate sales amounted to $288.6 million, which has continued to grow at a CAGR of 18% over the past 15 years. Huons has experiences in partnering with more than 20 different global companies, which is listed in this slide. I will explain Jecheon plant now. Jecheon plant is located in Jecheon-si, Chungcheongbuk-do, which is 2.5 car drive from Seoul. It has competitive GMP facility and best price with mass production and know-how in quality and RA, pipeline diversification, and global sales network. We have successfully passed due diligence from overseas companies and advanced countries. This summarizes the manufacturing capacity of the Huons factory. We have tablet, capsules, ampoules, vials, cartridges, and plastic ampoules as well. Now I am explaining Hu007, which is a nanocomposite eye drop with average particle size less than 20 nanometers. We developed a nanocomposite eye drop that complements the shortfalls of cyclosporine single formulations. The content of cyclosporine was reduced from 0.05% to 0.02% to maintain the efficacy and increase the safety. And 3% of trehalose was added to increase the protective effect of the tear film. In addition, we have developed transparent eye drops by making particle size less than 20 nanometer. Hu7 is an eye drop containing 0.02% of cyclosporine and 0.3% of trehalose. It is a product for patients with moderate to severe dry eye syndrome with reduced side effects and inconvenience in use by reducing active ingredients of previously approved items and adding new ingredients. In phase 3 efficacy trials, superiority and non-inferiority was demonstrated in the corneal staining score and compared with trehalose, single drug, and Restasis, respectively. All of the secondary evaluation variables were also satisfied, ensuring the effectiveness of this drug. In addition, it was confirmed that there were no serious adverse reactions compared to trehalose alone and Restasis, the most important safety issue. that which is the burning sensation. And the disadvantage, in addition, it was confirmed that there were no serious adverse reactions compared to trehalose and restasis in the most important safety, and that the burning sensation, the disadvantage of restasis, was greatly improved in Hu-007. In Korea, it has successfully completed phase 3 clinical trials and is applying for NDA and expected to be released in the second quarter of next year. In Europe, IND approval was completed and the phase 3 clinical trials will be conducted in Europe from the end of this year and the first half of next year. We are currently looking for partners for this project in Europe. Now I am explaining the Hutox, which is the Botox made from Huons. We have secured the highly productive strains and we have advanced the purification process. So we eventually developed a high purity botulinum toxin. Hutox was approved in 2019 as a toxin product for improving the appearance of severe to moderate wrinkles in adults. We completed phase 3 clinical trials for glabella lines and crow's feet lines in 2019 and 2020 respectively, and are currently in clinical trials for stiff upper limb muscles and indications for the mastectomy hypertrophy. Hutox has been exported to various countries, starting with the acquisition of approval for export in 2016. And in Korea, it was launched under the name of Hutox after approval in 2019. So today, I explained the general introduction of Huons and its factory capacity and two products, which is Hu-007 and Hutox. I'm looking forward your interest in our company and our two products in the future. Thank you very much for your attention.